Hey everybody, Jim with Homespark Knife Sharpening. We have got some little whittling knives to do today. And I'm going to do them on the work sharp. And because these blades are so fine and they're so tiny, let's see if I can get some more light over here maybe. There we go. I want to kind of be careful how I sharpen. I think I want to do these on starting with a Trizact. I do not want to there we go. I don't want to hit them with a 120 belt. It's probably way too much for a fine little blade like this. So we're going to start with the Trizact A30, which is 600 grit. And then we'll go to a fine grit belt or an extra fine belt and see how it does. We'll see how sharp it comes out, starting with the A30. I want to make sure I'm not getting the blade too hot. I can see a burr coming up. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I don't know if you guys can see that burr or not. No, I can't get an angle where you guys can see it, but it's there. And I'm sharpening at about 17 and a half. For little whittling knives like this, they generally recommend between 15 and 20. So I'm kind of going halfway in between the two. Okay, and I'm going to place each one of these little fork things right above the knife that I'm sharpening. This one will be fun. Boy, they're tiny, tiny. Yep, and I'm getting a burr all the way across on this one. Okay. Okay. So you got to burr across every one of those. So let's go to the fine. This belt's really fine. You can hardly even feel any grit on it at all. But I want to really kind of hone these down and get a really good edge for her. She cuts soft woods with these. So we should be okay with the 17.5. We could go as low as 15. But I think with a little increased angle, get a little bit more durability on the blade. Okay, I was not planning on doing this. However, I think I'm going to go ahead to the stropping belt, and we'll see if I can this belt has gotten kind of twisted. It's going to give me some problems getting in here. I can see. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and use a little bit of the white compound on here. And I can already see that it's not taking off all of the burr. Just getting rid of maybe 60 or 75% of the burr. So we'll go ahead and hit these with our manual strop. Let me grab a piece of paper over here too, so we can give them a little test. Okay. Oh, sorry guys, you can't see what I'm doing here. Okay. This one looks like it was sharpened before too. It's kind of a strange grind on this, but so I think we're going to be good on this one. Okay. So I'm liking that one. Let's see, this one goes in here. Oh, I'm going to have to clean them up first. So let's finish these up and then we'll clean them up a little bit. Okay. Oh, it feels a little grabby. Okay. Now we're good. Yeah. So we're good with that one. And I'm also going to, when I text the customer and tell her they're ready, I'm going to ask her to bring, I think she said basswood. I'm going to ask her if she has a small piece of basswood she can bring with her so that she can test them before she leaves. And if they're not sharp enough, or if we have one that's not quite sharp enough or something, I can always touch it up a little more. Because I don't want her going until I know that these things are as sharp as she needs them. First cut always seems to grab a little bit. And then once I get through that first cut, it seems like, now this one, see, I'm not liking this. See, somehow it seems like that first cut, and I'm getting caught in here because I'm going too far back on the plate. Yeah, that's push cutting nice. I like that. See, I'm getting too far back on the blade. It looks like I'm catching, and what I'm doing is I'm getting the paper back here where it's not sharpened, and that's where it catches. So I got to keep it on the blade. But it's hard to do with a tiny little blade like this. See, I know it's cutting. If I quit going back on the blade, I keep getting, I think we're good with this one too. Yeah, I'm liking that. Let's go on to this last one and see what we got here. I just want to make sure I got all the burr off. See how this one does? Yeah. See, two perfect cuts, and then I bring it down into the camera, and it's acts up on me. It's because my paper's getting too small. Let me grab another piece. Okay, so we're looking good. Okay, so we're good with these. Now we can, I think this one goes in here. This one I think had the sheath on it. So we're just going to clean them up a little bit here. Clean them up with a little bit of alcohol. Make sure they're all nice and clean. Get them back in their sheaths. This one. Okay. And this one. It just doesn't look right. Maybe it goes in this way. Not sure if that's right either. Okay. This is a teeny tiny. That's this one. So let's clean this one off. And this is kind of a cool idea. She's got these pieces of cork that she uses to keep her knives in, which is kind of cool. I like that. Okay, guys, we're just finishing up. Sure would appreciate it if you guys would hit that like button. Here's a teeny tiny one. And hit the subscribe button so you can see some more. We're going to be doing some more lives here coming up pretty soon. I enjoy doing the lives because I can converse with you guys in real time. So, okay. We are all set. A little bit of cleanup on the bench, and then we'll text the customer, let her know they're ready, and like I said, I'm going to have her bring a piece of the wood that she carves with so that I can make sure they're cutting the way she wants them to. And if not, I can resharpen or touch them up or whatever we need to do to make the customer happy. So, okay, guys. So there's some really fine knives on the work sharp. This little machine does a great job on a lot of like specialty knives and stuff that I really appreciate. So, okay, you guys have a great day, and we will see you in the next one.